Question 1. Which of the following statements is true? A. Microsoft Windows defines the operating environment standard for computers with Linux processors. B. Microsoft Windows defines the operating environment standard for computers with Unix processors. C. Mac OS defines the operating environment standard for computers with Intel processors. D. Microsoft Windows defines the operating environment standard for computers with Intel processors. Correct option, D. Microsoft Windows defines the operating environment standard for computers with Intel processors. Question 2. What should be used if a company wants to include its company name and logo at the bottom of every page of brochure? A. Header. B. Macro. C. Footer. D. Footnote. Correct option, C. Footer. Question 3. Which is an event-driven programming language developed in the early 1990s? A. C. B. VB. C. C++. D. Pascal. Correct option, B. VB. Question 4. Linux is A. Blank. A. Utility program for peer-to-peer file sharing. B. Real-time operating system. C. Network operating system. D. PDA platform. Correct option, C. Network operating system. Question 5. A program that converts high-level language to machine language is blank. A. Linker. B. Assembler. C. Compiler. D. All of the above. Correct option, C. Compiler. Question 6. Zip is A. Blank file. A. Executable file. B. Compressed file. C. System file. D. Combo. Correct option, B. Compressed file. Question 7. Which among the following is a scientific computer language? A. Basic. B. COBOL. C. Fortran. D. Pascal. Correct option, C. Fortran. Question 8. Command we can use to close the windows. A. Alt plus F1. B. Alt plus S. C. Alt plus End. D. Alt plus F4. Correct option, D. Alt plus F4. Question 9. Algorithm is used. A. To bring itself into desired state by its own action. B. To perform logarithmic operations. C. To describe a set of procedure by given result is obtained. D. As a high-level language. Correct option, C. To describe a set of procedure by given result is obtained. Question 10. When more than one window is open, to switch to the next window is the key combination. A. CTRL plus F5. B. CTRL plus F6. C. CTRL plus F7. D. CTRL plus F8. Correct option, B. CTRL plus F6. Question 11. PNG stands for A. Portable Name Generator. B. Portable Network Generator. C. Portable Name Graphics. D. Portable Network Graphics. Correct option, D. Portable Network Graphics. Question 12. The maximum zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint is A. 100%. B. 200%. C. 400%. D. 500%. Correct option, D. 500%. Question 13. What is an intersection of a row and column in a spreadsheet? A. Formula. B. Worksheet. C. Address. D. Cell. Correct option, D. Cell. Question 14. What is the process of creating movement from still images? A. Transition. B. Twining. C. Bitmapped graphic. D. Animation. Correct option, D. Animation. Question 15. A set of rules for creating markup languages that enables programming to capture specific types of data by creating their own elements is called A. XML. B. HTML. C. ADA. D. XHTML. Correct option, A. XML.